In this video, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how to make this simple 3D bead wire work applique that you can attach to your dress. And this bead inspiration is from Applique beadings. So to start, this is the ones I have made already. So I'm just going to show you the process of how I did this. So first, you need to choose any bead of your choice. So I just have this simple bead that I have left at home, so I'll be working with it. So one is a glass bead and one is a plastic bead. So I'm going to measure about 20 inches of my wire. So you need your wire also to do this. You can actually get this in the market. You can buy per yard or you can buy the full wire. So I'm just going to measure about 20 inches, which I have done already. So I'll be taking this plastic bead that I have here and I'm going to pass it in between. So next, I'm going to go ahead to pass two of my glass beads on this side of the wire, and after doing that, I'm also going to repeat this at the other side. I'm going to pass another two beads by the side. Now what I'll do is to go ahead to twist this. So I'm going to twist this, and this will be like my first, and I'll twist about 8 to 10 inches. So this totally depends on the design you're going for. Now I'll take one part of the branch, then I'll pass my glass bead first. I'll be passing two glass beads, and after doing that, I'll go ahead to take the plastic bead and then pass two other glass beads this way. So after I'm done passing that, I'll move it a little, right? Then after moving it, I'm just going to go ahead to start twisting it. I move this further so that I can create like a branch from this side of the wire. Then I'll go ahead to twist it to create like a branch. So after twisting it, I'll just twist the body a little, and then I'll pick the other side of my wire. Then I'll now pass another two glass bead, then pass my plastic bead through it again. Then I'll pick another glass bead, and after doing that, I'll now go ahead to leave little space, like push the beads up. After pushing it up, I'll now go ahead to twist it. So after twisting it, I have created another branch on it. So this is what I have right now. I'll twist the body. Now after twisting the body a little, twist it about 5 to 6 times, then I'll pick one branch again, and I'll go ahead to pick two glass beads. So after picking that, I'll pick another black plastic bead, then I'll go ahead to pick two glass beads. So after I'm done passing that, I'll move it a little, right, away from the center of the branch that I'm making. Then I'll go ahead to twist it. After twisting it, I'm twisting it back to the main branch of the beaded wire. Right now, after twisting it, this is what I have, and I'll twist it back to that wire. I don't know if you understand. Then I'll take the other branch, right? Then after that, I'll still go ahead to pass a bead through it. So you're going to keep passing these beads to make branches, right? So you can make yours as long as you want. You can see in some cases the branch is actually longer, right? So I passed two glass beads, and went ahead to pass another black one, then passed the glass bead, move it a bit, and I will go ahead to twist this. So after twisting this, I will now twist the remaining part back to the wire. So we are going to use the remaining part join to the other branch that I will make. So after that, I'll just go ahead to twist the body. After twisting it, I'm just going to keep this aside. Right now, we are going to cut another wire. So the length of this wire depends on what you're actually making. If I wanted it to be longer than this, I will be cutting something longer than the actual wire that I'm using. So this is a tutorial, and what I'm making is just something small. So I'm using about 20 inches for the wire. Now I'll go ahead to fold my wire into two. Then at the midpoint I'll pass my black bead, then go ahead to pass the glass bead through it again. So what I'm doing now is totally repeating what I did at first, that is trying to create branches. First, I'll now go ahead to twist this. So just like I said, it totally depends on the design you're trying to make. Now I twisted it about 8 to 10 times here. Then I'll pick one branch, go ahead to pass two glass beads from there. After passing the two glass beads, I'll go ahead to pass the plastic bead, then pass the two glass bead again. Now this is not like a standard for the amount of bead you're going to use, so this totally depends on the design you're also making. And in case you're even using a bigger bead, you might end up using 3 beads to make these branches. So after making that, I'll twist it, then twist it back to the main branch, then go ahead to twist it a little. After twisting it, I'll pick the other side of this wire to create the branch on this side. So after that, I'll go ahead to pass another glass bead, then pass my plastic bead and pass another glass bead. So I'm going to repeat this process till I create another branch just like we have here. So I actually made 4 branches, so this is more like repeating the same process. All you have to do is to pass your bead and go ahead to twist it back to the main branch this way, right? So this is what I have. Now I'll create more branches and I'll go ahead to create extra 2 bead wire work, and we are going to join it to make the design. So after I was done making the branches, this is what I have. I have like 4. So what I'll now do is to start connecting each branch. So this totally depends on the design you're making. I'm just going to twist this. After twisting this way, if you have a plier, go ahead to like use your plier on it, but I'm just making use of my scissors right now. So after twisting it, I'm going to go ahead to join the other branch to it also this way. Now I'll go ahead to join it to the side, and if I'm not okay with what I have here, I can go ahead to like adjust it. So you're just trying to create a design, so you can attach this to the body of the dress, to the sleeve, or wherever you want this design to be. So after twisting this, now I will now bring the other one and I will go ahead to join it to this other branch. Now if you are making this longer, that is probably you're attaching it to the structured sleeve that you're making, so you need to make more branches, and while making it you need to make it longer so that you can attach as many as possible. So after I was done twisting, this is what it looked like. So I'm just going to go ahead to place it on another fabric, and this is how it looks like. So if you find this video very interesting and educative, please kindly hit on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Join us in our next video. Thanks.